Assalamu alaikum student, welcome back to Google Classroom. Hope all are doing good, everything is going smoothly. Student, now we continue our chapter what we have started already. Sixth chapter is circle. Today we will going to start 6.2. Here in this 6.2 we have to learn one more important property or theorem. We can say that is see. What is that? Congruent chord of a circle are equidistant from the center of a circle. In last year also you have learned this. The congruent chord are equidistant from the center of a chord, and one more. Okay, only this much you have to go for the chord. Okay, only two theorems are there, but one theorem is already from the syllabus, so we will go for one theorem. Then, shall we start? See, I had drawn according to diagram question. What is that question? Radius of a circle is 10 centimeter. The radius is 10 centimeter. Okay, and there are two chord of 16 centimeter each. There are two chord of 16. अब दोनों chord का segment क्या है? 16 centimeter, right? इस दोनों chord क्या होंगे? The chords are congruent. What will be the distance of this chord? We have to find the distance from the chord to the circle. Okay, we have to find that. Then shall I start the remaining part? See, according to question, I had made one circle, the radius I had written and chord. So now I have two chord, I have given the two chord names AB and CD. Then O is the center of a circle, so OM and ON is a perpendicular bisector of that chord. Then if AO is 10 centimeter, CO also will be 10 centimeter. Okay, so all we have to write and we have to prove that. Come on, given. You should write in the given part. What is given? Length of OA is equal. You can write OA equals to 10 centimeter. Length of only you can write AB equals to 16 centimeter. Okay, that's all. Now to find. क्या find करने वाला question में? The length of distance from the center of a circle. So length of OM equals to what? OM equals to, you can write ON equals to what? Okay, we will find both of the center. Okay, now for finding we will write a solution. See what we have taken. We have taken O as center of a circle, right? To write that point. The point O is the center of a circle. Okay, and what we are going to write? Segment OM is perpendicular to the chord AB, है ना? So that is, अब क्या हो जाएगा? देखो AMB ये एक ही लाइन में होगा. Okay, now segment ON will perpendicular to chord CD. So what happens? C and D will become in the, so that is C dash and dash D in the one line. Then now we will say length OA is equal to length CD. Length AO is equals to length CO equals to 10 centimeter. Give the reason: radius of a circle. Radius of a circle. Then now student, if these two chords are congruent, so you will write chord AB equals to chord CD, that equals to कितना centimeter? 16 centimeter. If you write given, ये given है हमारे क्वेश्चन में. Then now we can assume this triangle and we will find AM, and by finding AM we can, by using Pythagoras theorem we can find OM. Okay, so now we go for the in triangle. First you will go the perpendicular theorem. The 6.1 we have used it. So what are you going to write? Perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle, okay, to a chord, bisect the chord. Okay. So therefore, you can say length AM is half of length AB. Okay. So therefore, length AM equals to half of 16. Okay. So therefore of AM equals to 2 ones are 2 8s are. So I got 8 centimeter. If I got AM as in 8 centimeter, correct, AM. So CD also 8 centimeter. Okay. Now I am going to assume in a triangle. I am going to assume this triangle. That is triangle name is AMO. With all the same pattern we have learned already in the 6.1. Okay. Where major angle M is 90 degree. If the angle is 90 degree, we can go by Pythagoras theorem. Done? So what is hypotenuse side? 90 का opposite क्या है? Length of AO is equal to length of AM square plus length of OM square. So length of AO I have 10 centimeter. So 10 square equals to, now I got AM as 8 square. I don't have length of OM. So I will put like this only. Now student 10 का square 164 जैसे आप लोग normally करते हो. I have done like this only. Now I will take number one side. So plus 64 will become minus 64. Okay. So 100 minus 64. 10 minus 4 6. 9 minus that is 36. Length of square हटाने के लिए we will take square root, right? So now we will write taking square root on both sides. So therefore length of OM equals to 6 centimeter. If I got OM as a 6 centimeter, so ON also 6 centimeter. So what we are going to write? Congruent chord are equidistant. Right here. Congruent chord are equidistant from the center of a circle. So therefore length of OM equals to length of ON equals to 6 centimeter. Write the statement. Now what statement we are going to write? The distance from the chord from the center of a circle is 6 centimeter. Understood? Come on, I give 2 seconds to do it. We go to the next question. Do it first. Okay, done. I think you all the questions. Now we will see question number 2. You know now question number 3 is omitted from your syllabus. You don't want to solve it. Okay. Now some of the parts will be equal. So I am keeping here only. I will rub this one. Same question will be there. Same patterns. Okay. So I will just rub all. Okay. I will rub just this one. I will take this diagram only. Okay. You can change your name according to the, if you want you can change it. But I want this one, so I will not change. The method should mine. Don't copy from the digest and everything, but the method should be mine. See, if the circle with the radius 13 centimeter. Now I got one radius of a circle. Okay. That is 13 centimeter. Okay. And two chord are at distance of 5 centimeter. देखो इसका उल्टा दिया हुआ है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का उल्टा ही दिया गया है. वहाँ पर chord दिया गया था. You have to find distance. Now they have distance given. You have to find the chord. Same. From the center of the circle, find the length of the chord. Okay. Same thing we will provide. AB will be and CD will be the two congruent chord. Okay. O is center of a circle. OM and ON will be the perpendicular bisector from the distance of the center. Okay. Now we will find easily. Okay. See what is given. We can write it from length of OA. Okay. Length of right here. length of OA equals to length of see, length of OA equals to length of CO equals to 13 centimeter. I will take as this also 13 centimeter. Okay. Next, length of OM equals to length of OL equals to 5 centimeter. To find, आपको क्या find करना है? You have to find the length of the chord. Okay, you can write length of a chord. For finding, I will take same solution. Same point O is the center of a circle. Segment OM is perpendicular to the chord AB, so that A and B will be in equal line. O are perpendicular to chord CD, so C and D will be the one line. Okay. Now student, same thing we will want to write. Length of OA equals to length of CO equals to 13 centimeter. You can write the reason, that is radius of a circle. Okay. Now student, already question is given. OM is equals to length of ON equals to 5 centimeter. You can write here. ये already क्या किया है क्वेश्चन में given है. Then now we will assume these are the right angle triangle. सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या find करेंगे? AM find करेंगे. So we will go in a triangle. The triangle name is AMO, where major angle M is 90 degree. So we will go for the Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? Length of AO square is equals to length of AM square plus length of OM square. 90 का opposite hypotenuse है, side 1 है, ये side 2 है. Done. Now replace according to the figure. AO I have, yes, AO I have 13. 13 square equals to length of AM. I don't have the length of AM as it is length of OM. OM I have 5 square. Okay. Now open the square. 13 the square 169. Length of AM square 5 by 25. Take all the number one side and variable one side minus. So I will got 1 is equals to length of AM square. Square डालने के लिए we are going to take a square root. So I will write taking square root on both sides. So length of AM is equals to 12 centimeter. If I got AM as 12, I can find easily AB, right? So here we are going to use again the theorem. Which theorem? Perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisect the chord. Okay. So therefore student, now I will write AB is 2 times of length of AB is 2 times of length of AM. So length AB equals to 2 into AM, we got 12. So therefore length of AB is equal to 2 12 are 24 centimeter. You can highlight with the scaling pencil. Now I got AB as 24, so CD will be also 24 centimeter. Why that is so? Because 2 congruent, the distance from the center of a circle to the chord are from the equidistance. Okay, so you should write the one theorem also. What we write now? We will write the theorems. Okay, so आप लिखोगे ये दोनों chord जो है chord AB equal है chord CD से. Okay, you will write this, and so therefore what is that? Write the statement. Chord chord, the length of the chord, so length of the chord of a circle is 24 centimeter. ये आप लिखोगे. That, so that is the our 6.2. 6.3 inshallah student, I will see how to do. I will keep one book on that and I will explain it, and I will see what to do. By that time you should complete this 2 sum of 6.2, and inshallah 6.3 I will also give for recording. So take care. We will meet you in next lecture. By the time, Allah Hafiz.